The Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, West Khasi, along with the District Administration, has continued the random Covid-19 tests where today doctors and staff had collected 40 samples in Nongstoin market, and in total 160 samples had been sent to NEIGRIHMS for Covid tests. The test was taken place today at Nongstoin market, targeting shop owners and sellers, commuters, and local taxi drivers. While speaking with the doctors on duty, said that the main purpose of the random test is to trace the COVID-19 positive cases in the district, with an aim to encourage others to come forward to get themselves tested, so it can help the health authority to track positive cases in the district. Recently, sample has been also collected from police, traffic, bank employees, government employees, and others, where all the sample will send to NEIGRIHMS for COVID tests. Meanwhile, the West Khasi District Police today announced the current rule and regulation as well as penalties against any violation against the advisories of the Health Department to prevent from COVID-19. Announcement was made by the police in all market areas where people violated the advisory, which include wearing of masks, social distancing, and if any violators found, will dealt with a fine as per the order of the state government.